Hello guys! Today we will solve another problem from Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics Chapter 7, Fluid Flow in Pipes. What size of pipe is required to carry 450 liters per second of water with a head loss of 3.5 meter for 5,000 meter length? Assume friction factor by F is equals to 0.024. We are going to determine the size of pipe. Probably, we are going to solve for its diameter. First, we need to identify what is given. We have head loss is equals to 3.5 meters. The length equals to 5,000 meters. Flow rate is equals to 450 liters per second or 0.45 cubic meter per second since 1 cubic meter is equals to 1,000 liters. As its friction factor is equals to 0.024. Using the formula for head loss, we can now solve for the unknown. Is equals to 0.0826. This is constant times friction, length, the Q2 volumetric flow rate squared over the diameter raised to 5th. Substituting the value, we have 3.5 is equals to 0.0826 times 0.024 times 5,000 meter times 0.45 over d raised to 5. D is equals to 0.895 meter or 895 millimeter. I hope you learned something from us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated for our next video. Thank you.